If you want to build a WordPress website without buying hosting, without spending money, and without risking breaking something on a live site, then installing WordPress locally on your computer is exactly what you need. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to install WordPress on your own computer. By the end, you'll have a fully working website running on your machine. Let's start. First, we need something called a local server. WordPress normally runs on a web server with PHP and a database. Your computer doesn't have that environment by default, so we install software that creates it for us. The easiest tool for beginners is called XAMPP. So open your browser and search for XAMPP download. Go to the official website and download the version for your operating system. Once it downloads, install it like any normal software. Just click Next until it finishes. After installing, open the control panel. Now you'll see multiple services listed. We only need two of them, Apache and MySQL. Click Start on both. If both turn green, your local server is running successfully. Great. Now we need WordPress itself. Go to the official website of WordPress. Click Download WordPress. You'll get a zip file. Extract it. Next step is important. Go to the folder where you installed XAMPP on your computer. Inside that folder, find one called htdocs. This is where all your local websites live. Copy the extracted WordPress folder into htdocs. You can rename the folder to anything you want. For example, my website. Now we create a database. Open your browser and go to localhost/phpMyAdmin. This is your database manager. Click New on the left side. Give your database a name, for example, WordPress_DB. Then click Create. That's it. Database is ready. Now the final step. Open your browser again and go to localhost/mywebsite. If you used a different folder name, use that instead. Now you'll see the WordPress installation screen. Next, enter your database details. Database name is the one you created. Username is root, password stays empty. Database host is localhost. Click Submit. Then click Run Installation. Now enter your website details like site title, username, password, and email. Click Install WordPress. And that's it. You just installed WordPress locally on your computer. You can log in anytime using localhost/mywebsite/wp-admin. Now you can practice, test plugins, build projects, or learn WordPress safely without touching a live server. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more practical tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.